Want to spice up your iMessages with a little something special? We can help with that. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to use special effects on iMessage like confetti, invisible ink, and more. Now let's get started. To send iMessages with special effects, first open the Messages app. Now you can open an existing conversation or start a new one by tapping the new message icon in the top right corner. Now you can type out whatever you want your message to say. Instead of tapping the arrow button to send it off, hold the arrow button down to access special effects options. You can then check out the options for message bubble effects and screen effects. For bubble effects, the options are slam, loud, gentle, and invisible ink. Tap one to see what it looks like. For screen effects, the options are echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, love, lasers, fireworks, and celebration. For these ones, swipe sideways to check out a preview of each option. When you've landed on the effect you want to use, tap the blue arrow icon to send your message with the special effect you've selected. When your friend opens the message, they'll see the effect you've sent with it. You can also tap replay to view a special effect again. That's all it takes to send iMessages with special effects. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.